Hey little artists! Ready to go up, up, up in colors? Today we're going to learn how to draw a super cool rainbow stair.
Yay!
Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, take your black marker. Now let's draw 2 zigzag lines, just like a staircase. One on the left and one on the right. These will be the edges of our stair. Now, let's connect those zigzag lines with straight lines to make the actual steps. Connect each point across, left to right, just like you're building stairs step by step. Now let's draw a sidewall. Yay! We've got a staircase with a sidewall. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now let's go over the outline again to make it bold and sharp so the artwork really pops. Doesn't it look awesome?
Yay!
Now it's time to color our staircase. Let's grab our color pens and use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Awesome work, little artists! You did such a great job today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and colorful drawings. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.